I said, it's fine.
Who is fine?
Don't harm me, guys.
It's okay. Oh.
Who is the last person on the list?
Like this, I don't dress finish.
You go enter the water like this. See her. Come and stand in the sun. Let us see your face, how it is sparkling.
It is a sunny day. A good time to
Shade the sun, they come this way. Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, I guess I need to remove my foot.
Why?
First of all, covering it because of dirt from like.
Oh, it's true. You and your white.
Huh?
What thing you bring?
Onyinye the white princess.
No, you should see yourself. You should see yours.
Crocs are so good.
Medina! You not change your name so now your name be Bella. If I knock you. Lol. I'm excited. I didn't hear Bella. I say who be Bella. It's not easy. It's not easy. Hey. But I don't do okay, Sha. This one now, right? Before when I reach there. Hi. Ah, where your friend they go?
Says she wants to be.
Yes, sir. Outing of you.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to Erin Ijesha Waterfall. Guys, it's going to be a lot of fun. Just join us. Let's move together. Let's enjoy. Let me show you. You can add the vibes to it. Shoot vibes.
You guys.
These are not good vibes, but
Why are we ranting?
I really want to rant. I hate it when you have to go on an outing with a group or a group of people and they delay you. You've been out here for over an hour and they are not here yet. My vibes don't they die, don't they low.
Sorry, keep your vibes. You're gonna.
I don't like this. We're waiting for 5 people. 5 good people. We're supposed to hang out by 8. I'll be 8:30.
8:30, and this is almost 10 o'clock.
Almost 10. It's not even nice. All my makeup is fake.
I forgot my 7-Up because they told me the driver was here. I'm actually pained.
7 person.
I am actually pained because I literally jogged here. I mean, fast walked, whichever one. Where is the sun? I need the sun to be. There we are. I'm vlogging for like 3 different platforms. Allow me.
No, but you look nice. You look very clean. You look nice and simple.
You go, girl.
Natural.
Ayana, let's be going. Let's the boss that have arrived.
Yeah, make it count.
Terry. Why are you there walking front? $777 slide.
Okay, 49. 49 what?
49 what?
steps.
Yes, so apparently. Hey.
For the special touch you give, I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrificing love. Before you I will. You should be here with me. No wasting time, yeah, you've been on my mind. Don't overthink it, you were there from the start when my heart became yours. Don't say we're over. You should be here with me. For the special touch you give, I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrificing love. Before you I will. I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I told my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, 'cause I feel the sun.
I'm cold. I'm very cold.
YouTube video.
Yes.
Let's do it together. Let's do it together.
So guys, we're live at Erin Ijesha Waterfall here in Osun State. So guys, see people around. It's very interesting and we're enjoying ourselves. We're having fun. And I can tell you, this is so beautiful. We have a lot of tourist center in Nigeria. And this is one of the beautiful tourist centers in Nigeria. Nice to see you, bro. It was nice to see you.
We should come back here some more time.
Yeah. So guys, this is one of the best tourist centers in Nigeria. This is Erin Ijesha Waterfall. You're right here in Osun State, Nigeria, southwest. So you can see people around. This is another friend of mine. Her name is Elina.